Hey guys, this is Ray from the Great Falls Public Library, and this is Toddler Time. It's an early literacy program for our littlest learners, birth to 2.5. And we are going to be up and moving around and getting all of our wiggles out. I am kind of pretending that we are downstairs in the accordingly room because it was so much fun doing programs with you in the library. And I hope that we can do it again soon, hopefully starting in September. It will, of course, depend on a lot of different things, but I miss you, and let's get moving. Here we go. So we're gonna clap first. We clap and sing hello. We clap and sing hello. With our friends at Toddler Time, we clap and sing hello. Good job. Now we're gonna wave. We wave and sing hello. We wave and sing hello. With our friends at Toddler Time, we wave and sing hello. Good job. Now we're gonna stomp our feet. Yeah. We stomp and sing hello. We stomp and sing hello. With our friends at Toddler Time, we stomp and sing hello. Good job, guys. All right, do you remember riding the elevator down to the basement of the library? So let's sing the elevator song. And all of these songs come from Jayberry. The elevator song is a little tweak of one of their songs just to fit our library because we have an elevator and it is just delightful to press the buttons. Here we go. Well, the library's great and the library's grand. There's a whole lot of books on a little piece of land, and we have Toddler Time right below the first floor. So this is what we do when we walk in the door. Ready? We take the elevator up, take the elevator down, take the elevator up, take the elevator down, take the elevator up, take the elevator down, and we turn around. Yay! All right. Let's have a quick stretch. And then we're going to read one of my favorite movement books of all time. It's called Is Everyone Ready for Fun by Jan Thomas. Are you ready for fun? All right, let's stretch. Here we go. Reach for the ceiling, touch the floor, stand up tall. Let's do some more. Touch your head, then your knees, then up to your shoulders like this you see. Reach for the ceiling, touch the floor. That's all there is. There isn't any more. Good job, guys. Let's read this book. It's so fun. Is Everyone Ready for Fun? By Jan Thomas. Look, it's Chicken Sofa. Hey, what are those? Cows. What did the cows say? The cows are all landing on the little red sofa with a plop. Is everyone ready for fun? It's time to jump up and down, jump up and down on Chicken Sofa. Wait a minute, there's no jumping on my sofa. Oh, I don't think Chicken is very happy about that. Oh, okay, Chicken. We won't jump on your sofa anymore. I think the cows are sorry they jumped on the sofa. Is everyone ready for more fun? More fun? It's time to dance. Dance back and forth, dance back and forth. Let's all dance back and forth on Chicken Sofa. Yay! Does Chicken look happy? I don't think Chicken is very happy about this. What are you doing now? You said not to jump on your sofa. We weren't jumping. It's true. They weren't jumping. All right. Is everyone ready for even more fun? What does Chicken say? Chicken says, no more fun. Oh, Chicken. It's time to wiggle to and fro, wiggle to and fro. On, let's all wiggle to and fro on chicken sofa. Enough. There will be no more jumping, dancing, or wiggling on my sofa. Oh. Then there's only one thing left to do. What do you think? There's one thing left to do. What do you think it is? Is everyone ready? What are they up to? It's time to nap. Look. All the cows are taking a nap on chicken sofa. What do you think? Do you think chicken's gonna like that? What didn't chicken like? Chicken didn't like the jumping or the wiggling or the dancing. Do you think chicken likes the napping? Napping on my sofa? Yes. Good idea. Look, chicken's gonna take a nap too. And that's the end, guys. Thanks for joining us. See you next week.